Alright, so today we are making this little bowl. It is cottonwood. It came in a three-piece set, and we decided we would turn smallest part first to get a feel for getting back into the lathe. There's a challenge going on, 52 bowls in 52 weeks. I have no idea if I'm going to make that or not, but well, this is going to be bowl number one. And I'm already a couple weeks behind because today is Martin Luther King Day. But anyway, that's a pretty cool looking little bowl made out of cottonwood. If you want to see me do a few things turning on it, stick around. Alright, so we put a fresh grind on this and we're really sheer. We're right up here high on the edge and it's making a pretty good cut. Right here from a second ago. But that's getting there. Alright, well sadly I'm going to wrap this one up. I lost all the footage from coring out the center of it, but you can see it's about 6 inches across. It really did turn out good. So I filled it with CA and I'm not overly happy with that. A little bit rough when I sanded it. But the grain in this little bowl, these little bowls are cute. I had fun making it. So that's bowl 1 of 52 for 52 weeks. And I'm going to see how I do all year. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom. Okay, I'm going to sign this. This is how I've been doing it lately, but I just don't like it. If anybody's got a way better way to do this, let me know. Yeah, okay, I'm not very happy with that at all.